Before the rapid terraformation of the planet's atmosphere, Venus had once been dubbed a cosmic hell by the scientific community. The crushing weight of the planet's boiling greenhouse gases alongside a deprivation of oxygen and fertile soil made Venus an uninviting and challenging endeavor for any corporate or colonial development. Nonetheless, humanity went anyways. Previous attempts to prove near or beneath the Venusian atmosphere proved futile, as conventional electronic equipment was, up until 2049, incapable of operating at such extreme temperatures and pressure. It wouldn't be until conventional quantum computing and nanotechnology entered the fold that scientists could better study Venus, sending probes and rovers to explore the volcanic hell beneath its opal skies and gathering the necessary research to establish a permanent presence there. Earth's collapse stunted this effort, but eventually host corporations would take the first step nearly a century later. Advances in genotyping ultimately made way for the first Vetan colonists to arrive on Venus in 2133. Although the Vetan did a well enough job surviving Venus, the planet was still largely inaccessible for most every other form of humanoid life. At the time, municipalities on Mars were promoting the terraformation of the Red Planet, and with this movement came advocates for Venus's own terraformation as well. Mars would start pumping greenhouse gases and begin construction on Cairo Station in 2134, but it would take some time before these advocates got their wish on Venus. To open Venus to all of humanity, host corporations entertained the thought of dropping explosive gaseous payloads into the atmosphere to thin out its crushing airs. Although extreme, preliminary tests with hydrogen bombs, no relation, to produce graphite and water were very promising. Ocean 4 also experimented using genetically altered microbes to literally eat away at its atmosphere and produce photosynthesis, but this was deemed too time-consuming by the initiative. After a few years' wait in 2142, Starfront, previously SpaceX, authorized the use of hydrogen-based bombardments across the Venusian skies. Thus began what many gesture as the Venus Wars, a series of explosive strikes across Venus's thick sky. Today, orbital strikes are still being made on the accumulating pockets of CO2, and Venus's atmospheric pressure has dropped from approximately 92 bars in 2142 to 10 bars in 2190. Today, Venus is capable of housing members of every post-Kepler species, including the more updated upright Vetan. As its copper skies become more and more blue, its population has recently peaked at 2 billion.